How to update your profile and username in UpScrolled. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want a fresh username or a cleaner profile, just make sure to watch the video till the end. Open your UpScrolled application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in from the home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you end up in your profile, click on Edit Profile button. Inside Edit Profile, go ahead and write down a new name for your account. Erase the current one and enter a new one. Once done, click on the check mark at the top right and tap the check mark once again at the top right. And you have successfully changed your name on UpScrolled. You can also update your other profile information by going to Edit Profile again, and from here you can edit your date of birth, add links to your account, or add a bio for your account so that your account can stand out. You can also update other options by going to the Settings button, and from here click on Account Center. From your Account Center page, you can go ahead and edit your handle as well. So that is how you update your profile and username in UpScrolled account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.